Now it's a fruity meal.
Yeah.
Better close the other side.
Yeah, she's.
3, 2,
Don't breathe.
1.
Breathe only through your mouth.
Don't breathe at all.
No, we swallow. Yep. Coming out.
Instead of going down my whip.
I just saw how calm he was, and it was freaking me out.
Yeah, that was weird. Damn, I feel like I checked a lot.
Have you looked at this yet? It's fine. Larry Langford, big article about burning energy. Yeah, that's exactly what it was.
It's weird seeing it start.
I don't know, just choking it down.
It's like he's in training.
It's like a fish out of water over here, too.
Oh god, it's all swallowing snot.
Yeah, did you blow your nose before you started drinking?
He's definitely blowing bubbles through his nose. I see the.
I don't think anybody on the other videos heard.
Woo! Yeah, a little bit left.
I don't think I can do it.
I'm starting to tear up over here. Maybe that's milk.
I was gonna say maybe milk coming out.
You start crying, that would be hilarious. This is like the summer all over again.
Pin and color could suck up dry bean up their nose and push it out their eye. I think that's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Oh,